Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for you guys to be here with me today. I'm filming pretty much for the first time with my new setup. Let me know how you guys like this background. If it's too cluttered, let me know and I can kind of get rid of like these guys while I film. But yes, my name is Kelly, for those of you that don't know me. Hey! And I just want to say a big thank you and welcome to all my new subscribers and everyone that participated in my Christmas giveaway. I wish I could give something to everyone, but anyways, thank you to everyone for joining me on my channel and for participating in that. I'll probably be doing another one around Valentine's Day. Alright, let's stop rambling and get into today's video. So I am super excited. We are trying out like a new-ish product from Nars. I think these are pretty new. I got this I think like a month or two ago, and I've just kind of been like holding on to it because I forgot about it and I meant to film like a first impressions and review on it. So it is the new Powermatte Lip Pigment from Nars, which I'm really excited. I don't think I own like any other products by them. I know I purchased once the Radiant Creamy Concealer and I really liked it, but I never wound up repurchasing it. So I'm really excited to try this out. The packaging really caught my attention in the store. It just looks so beautiful. It's like very sleek. And I love that it's like the soft kind of matte texture with the Nars logo on the top. I think it's really pretty. Let me see, does it say anything really about it on the side? Doesn't really have any info on it. Let's go on the website and look up some info, see what it's all about. And I got a ring light for Christmas too, so I'm kind of playing around with the lighting. Right now I have like the white filter on the light. I'm gonna try filming like a different video with the orange filter and see if I like that lighting better. So once I film a video with the orange lighting, I'll let you guys know and you can tell me which lighting you like better. Okay, so on the website it says, an innovative concentrate of our most powerful matte yet fluid pigment complex liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel, introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible long wear. So it says it's a really lightweight texture that applies like ink on the lips. So I'm really excited about that. If you go back in my reviews, I did a review on the Makeup Forever Artistic Art Lip Ink, which was like a limited edition lip item for Christmas from 2 years ago, and it was like really liquidy. It was supposed to look like a Quillen ink, and that formula is like one of my absolute favorite liquid lipsticks, so I'm interested, maybe it'll be similar to that. And then it says it dries down to lock-in formula for smudge resistant carefree wear. It says it comes in 20 different colors and to shake well before use. So I hydrated my lips earlier, so we're pretty much like ready to go. Oh, this color is so pretty, and I bought the color Warm Leatherette. So let's just give it a good shake like it said. Alright, I just picked out 3 lip liners. Once I apply this, I'll figure out what color will go best with it. I'll do one half with a liner and then the other without, so we can see if that affects the wear time at all. Where is my mirror? Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. So it has a really nice, almost like triangular doe foot tip. This looks like it's gonna be nice. Ooh, it's super liquidy, very lightweight. It already does remind me of that Makeup Forever formula. Oh, this color is so pretty. A long way. Don't mind my like patch of skin right there. I already exfoliated my lips earlier, and if I really took that one off, I probably would have bled, so Oh, this color is stunning, and it already does feel super lightweight. I feel like with this, you want to be careful in applying it because it is so watery that, you know, you just want to probably like take your time if you're not used to applying liquid lipsticks, so that way you get a really precise line. It's nice, a little product goes a long way. I have not re-dipped my wand yet. It's nice too that it comes to like this really nice kind of like hard point, because you can really almost like press it into your lips like you would a lip liner to get a really nice like sharp edge. It feels very nice. It's already dried down. Just gonna go in for a little bit more just to see if I can like even out the color on the top of my lip. Wow, I really enjoy this and am loving it so far. I'm so excited about this. I'm probably gonna wind up picking it up in a few more shades. We'll still have to see the wear test, but so far I'm extremely impressed. Alright guys, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Pro Longwear Lip Liner in the shade Fashion Boost. This isn't gonna be an exact match. I can't find my pencil that will really match this. I feel like Jilted by Urban Decay or Rebellious for MAC would match this really well. This is what we're working with, and I think it'll do just fine. It's really just to see the wear test, not to see what the color is gonna look like with the liner. So let's do it on this half because I overdrew a little bit more on this side. Not the best color to match it, but it'll do. I'm just gonna go in with one more thin layer just to even out the pigmentation and go over that liner. It is pretty even though in color. There's really not too much that I need to touch up. Just gonna kind of touch up the edge right here and then the edge of the liner. Ooh, it feels really nice on top of the liner. It glided right on. I love the Pro Longwear lip liners. They're really creamy, and I feel like they'll work really well under these because these are so watery that it'll give it something to kind of like stick to. And it layers really well too, I think, because it is more of that like watery, lightweight formula that you can layer it up without it getting like bunchy or cakey or feeling really weird. It feels very nice. I am very pleased and excited about this. Let me see what time it is. It is about 5:15 right now. I'll check back in a couple hours so we can see how it is wearing, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it is 8:30. It is about 3 hours and 15 minutes since I first applied this, and I have to say it's holding up pretty well. I ate some chicken fingers and onion rings. I'll be your chicken wing. I did get a little bit of liquid lipstick up on my nose. I buffed it away with a little bit of foundation. But other than that, it's holding up really well. It faded a little bit in the center. I think that's just from me eating food. And it has kind of gotten a little bit fuzzy in the corners of my mouth. But other than that, it just seemed to be holding up pretty well. The color is holding up really well, and it's not really cracking at all. It still feels like really comfortable on the lips and pretty matte. The only like noticeable texture is where I had that like dry patch before, but that was my lips, not the lipstick. So I would say it's holding up really well. I don't really know if it's transfer proof, because it does feel like, even though it is matte, if I press my lips together, it does still feel like the teeniest bit creamy. So I don't think it's going to be like completely transfer proof, and especially because it ended up here, but I do think it's still pretty long lasting, and for how comfortable it is, it's doing really good. So I'll check back in with you guys probably before I'm about to like take my makeup off and go to bed, but so far so good. Alright guys, so it is 10:45. It's been 5.5 hours of wear. I would totally wear this longer for you guys and do like a full 8 hours or something, but I'm tired, I'm ready to go to bed, and 5 hours is definitely a good long wear time for a lipstick. And I think it held up great. I think the only really area where it got a little wonky was the corners of my mouth. Other than that, the edges are still super clean and the color seems to be wearing really well. Again, just that fade in the center from when I ate. But other than that, there's like no cracking. It's still super comfortable on the lips. My lips don't feel dry at all. And it's super lightweight, like you can't even feel that you have something on. And I love the color. I really like this liquid lipstick. I'm definitely going to be picking up a few more colors from the Powermatte Pigment line, and I would definitely recommend them. I think this is probably one of the better liquid lipstick formulas I've tried. It's not going to be one of the most transfer-proof liquid lipsticks, but it's definitely super comfortable, not drying, and I really like it. I will sacrifice a little bit of transfer for the comfortability of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up down below. It is super helpful when people are searching for like the reviews, and whenever someone's searching for this kind of video, the more likes it has, the more likely that people are going to be to see it and come to my video. So it means so much for me if you guys did that. Alright, I will see you guys in the next one.